How to create Solana wallet. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily create your Phantom wallet account. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you just have to search for Phantom wallet. Afterwards, you just have to download and install the Phantom wallet mobile application, and then you just have to tap on the open button in order to launch it. Now, once you do this, you will be able to see these two options on the home page. The first is of create account and the second one is of importing an existing wallet. So as we want to create a new account over here, so you need to tap on create a new wallet. Then it will ask you whether you want to protect your wallet with the help of this authentication. So basically it will take your fingerprints or your face ID. So if you want to enable this authentication, then you can turn this toggle button on. But for this video, I'm going to turn it off. After doing this, you just have to tap on the next button in the bottom. Now on the next page, you will be able to see your secret recovery phrase. This will be of 12 words, so you just have to tap on the copy to clipboard and you just have to keep this recovery phrase at a very safe place, because this will be the key of opening your Solana wallet whenever you want to log in into your account. So make sure that you secure it at somewhere at the very safe place. Now once you have successfully copied it and saved it, you just have to tap on the OK button in the bottom. Then you just have to tap on the yes button. Now after taking for some time, it will show you that you have successfully created your Phantom wallet account. Now here you just have to agree to the terms and conditions and then tap on the get started option, and there you go, you have successfully created your Solana wallet, which is the Phantom wallet. Now you can start using it and you can send and receive cryptos in it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.